Degrees of unsaturation is an extremely fundamental concept to analyze molecules. This concept is also called the index of hydrogen deficiency. This concept compares a carbon molecule to its alkane saturated form to determine how many pairs of hydrogen it's missing. For example, let's compare ethene to ethane. If we wrote out the molecular formula for each, we could see that there's a difference of 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens equals to 1 degree of unsaturation. That makes sense, since ethene has a double bond that ethane doesn't. Let's try to compare ethyne to ethane. The molecular formula would show that there is a difference of 4 hydrogens, or 2 degrees of unsaturation. That also makes sense, since ethyne has a triple bond that ethane doesn't. Notice that when we consider missing hydrogens, we consider a pair of hydrogens as 1 degree of unsaturation. That's important going forward. Now, let's try to compare hexane to cyclohexane. Again, we have a difference of 2 hydrogens, or 1 degree of unsaturation. Even though we don't have double bonds or triple bonds present in the cyclohexane, the ring itself takes away 2 hydrogens. There are a couple rules for degrees of unsaturation. Double bonds contribute 1 degree of unsaturation. Triple bonds contribute 2 degrees of unsaturation. Rings contribute 1 degree of unsaturation. In addition, halogens are counted as if they are hydrogen atoms. Oxygen atoms are ignored. Nitrogen atoms are also ignored, but 1 hydrogen is subtracted per nitrogen. Do you want to memorize these rules? I don't think so. I don't either. I think a formula is much easier. The degrees of unsaturation, or index of hydrogen deficiency, equals the number of carbons times 2 plus the number of nitrogens minus the number of hydrogens minus the number of halogens, and all divided by 2. This formula will accurately calculate degrees of unsaturation for any example you come across. This video concludes the concepts of Unit 4. We've talked about a lot of new concepts, so practice these concepts using the worksheets and explainer videos available for free in the description below. See you guys in the next unit.